The Welsh Government has allocated £411 million for ongoing costs of dealing with the pandemic until April 22 and £140 million for recovery and tackling waiting times. The responsible minister said the COVID pandemic has had a massive impact on the NHS and social services in Wales and is still facing significant costs in dealing with it. I'm therefore pleased to confirm an extra £411 million for these costs, including the vaccination program, testing, PPE and new cleaning standards for infection control. The knock-on effect from dealing with the pandemic has also been huge. Waiting lists have increased by more than 33% and are now at record levels. Getting back to where we were before the pandemic is going to take a lot of time and investment in new ways of working. So we are also providing an extra £140 million to the NHS for this work. £100 million will be used to help health boards' recovery plans, including speeding up the treatment of those who have been waiting the longest. While £40 million is for equipment and adapting hospitals and other buildings to increase capacity for routine procedures whilst maintaining COVID-safe areas. The money announced is in addition to the £100 million funding announced in May to support the Welsh Government's Health and Social Services COVID recovery plan. And the minister added, I recognize it is a huge task just to get back to where we were before the pandemic. However, we must also grasp this opportunity to adopt new ways of working and create a sustainable health and social care system that can meet the demands of the future. The minister, Rebecca Evans, said the money was part of a package of funding to help Wales recover from the COVID pandemic. She said this funding will help increase capacity in our hospitals and, crucially, help the NHS to move forward beyond the pandemic. The funding is part of a wider package of funding which will be spent over the coming months to help us build the fairer, greener, stronger and ever more successful Wales that we all want for ourselves and for each other. And I'll see you in my next video. Bis gleich.